What's going on, my video viewing audience? Leonard Roy coming at you. And it's about that time. Just gotta put some jelly on this toast. Fry up 2 eggs. And that will be it for what it will be. I'm gonna take that skillet off the doggone heat. This fine August 31st, 2025. Now, this is a question for these Wakandans and Blackistan. I don't know what I don't know what their boggle is. Trust me out. Now, you get these Wakandans and Blackistan. They do these videos on YouTube, be it live streams or whatever it is, right? And you always hear beep, beep, beep. And they be talking about how much money they got. Beep. Yeah, because we be out here with these hoes and beep. You get their counterpart, you know. The doggone hairhead hooligans acting a fool again. Weave everywhere. Especially the dark skin ones. They be looking like doggone a human wood tip Black and Mild cigar. Like, you know your doggone blick R's. You're blick. And your hair's not blonde. But you blick. Looking like a wood or plastic tip Black and Mild cigar. They are the most hilarious. And they'll be talking and bleep and bleep. That's why I call them Wakandans and Blackistan, right? They talk the most about the most, and smoke detector be going off. And I'm like, how your money all onto your dig, but you can't afford a 9-volt battery for your smoke detector? Let me see. SIM something voice. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's Mikhail TV podcast, cleaning up in Sasua 3 minutes ago. It's 7 in the morning. They talking about Sasua? Hold on, let me click on this.
All right, man. So what's going on in the DR, Howard? Man, I've been seeing so much.
It's 7 in the damn morning. Stop it. Oh. Well, I see this other one that I put up here. It's like, clap back with your FICO score. You're educated 304. That's for them doggone educated black women that always talk about, I'm an educated black woman. I'm this and that. I'm like, yeah, but your credit is jacked up. You got babies on babies on babies. You get a man, you can't keep one, right? And the men of the day, just like that came across there, a lot of those, they over in the DR or some other country getting themselves pleased up where they ain't even got to deal with you doggone black American women. It's like, damn, don't want you no more. See, all of that, I don't need a man. Y'all brought that on yourself. But anyway, yeah, all y'all Wakandans and Blackistan talking about some white supremacy and systemic racism and all this other stuff. Man, y'all need to get a grip on life, you know? Listen to that old song by James Brown called Mind Power. What James say? You don't work, huh? You don't eat, huh? You don't work, hey! You don't eat. Get hip to yourself, good buddy, my brother. Get it from the street, share. You don't work, you don't eat. Say you don't work, no. You can't eat. You got to have mind power to deal with starvation. I'm not starving. I'm finna put me some eggs in here and go into Devo mode like that old punk rock song. Whip it. Whip it good. Yeah. Yeah, be talking all that yin yang. They ain't no good in the doggone kitchen. And they don't know how to properly use their mouth in the bedroom. They worsen. See, that's the reason. Old man like me, being down here in the land of plenty, man, listen. Whip it good. I just doggone, I roll through rental room, maybe a 20-minute appointment. Ooh, and I'm good. But you all stay black. Wakandans.